Find out correct relation for dependence of change in acceleration due to gravity on the angle at the latitude due to gravitation of due to rotation of Earth is. So we know that this g at an angle theta is equal to, we can take it as g naught minus r omega square into cos square theta. Now we can write Rm is to find out the value of change in gravitational acceleration due to gravity. So we can take it as r omega square cos square theta is equal to gravitational field on the surface minus gravitational field at an angle theta. So this final value minus initial minus final will get the value of change. So this we can take it as dg, change in value of g. So this change in value of g is equal to r omega square into cos square theta. Or you can write this change in value of g is directly proportional to nothing but cos square theta.